we don't have ink. It's Mommy, which one did you like color? Ta-da! We are going to draw today. We have lots of pages to draw. Almost some others. So, let's draw it today. And then, yes, draw. Mommy, which dinosaur have color on the cocoa bee? Red or yellow?
The mushroom, you should color it red and white like
No, that's
Super
it.
Mario.
No, that's egg.
Ay, egg pala yun. Kala ko mushroom. Okay, let's choose
And
our
also, there's another egg here. Oh,
Yes, I think we should color the egg green or brown. Then
Look,
the
oh.
spot is color
look
white.
at this. Oh, volcano
Volcano pala
with
yan.
lava. Which color the lava?
I think it's orange. Diba? Orange.
Color
Oh, you color the
orange and black. The black spot is make the lava melt. Do you know? You know, Mommy?
Yes, thank you for telling me.
But if we taste the mountain clouds, what will happen to us?
Huh?
What will happen to us if we eat the cloud? What will happen?
Kakainin natin yung clouds.
Yes, it smells like cotton candy, sabi ni Tita Je. Tita Je, taste the cloud already. It tastes like water, sabi ni Tita Je ng cloud.
Na-taste ni Tita Jet yung clouds?
Yes, because he want to sense of tasting. Because your tongue is the sense of tasting first.
Huh?
Yes, you're right. You're right, Mommy. Now, which dragonfly? Look, yellow. Ah. It's okay to lampas. Okay maglampas. Okay lang lampas. Did you lagpas? Yes or no?
No, I'm not lagpasing.
But how about me?
Naglalagpas ka, dapat hindi.
Am I very good or not? Am I very good or not?
Siyempre, very good yan.
It's okay. Okay maglampas.
Okay lang naman maglampas.
But how about you draw the rafting volcano? How about you draw the rafting?
The erupting volcano?
Yes. It rafting volcano. Rafting is like this. Rafting is like this. Oh, look. Oh. That's the rafting.
Erupting.
The rafting. I will show you the rafting. The rafting here, oh. Rafting here, oh.
Kaya nga. What
You
color is
cannot-
that gray yan? Oh.
But we don't have any gray.
Here. Oh, ito gray.